Good morning, everybody. Today we will learn about the sixth problem. Now, journal chapter sixth problem, journal entries problem. I did mention the last class five problems. Now, sixth problem. Journalize the following transactions. Journalize the following transaction. Now, this month transaction 2014 January 1st. Mr. Anil started business with cash rupees 75,000. Second, cash sales rupees 10,000. Fifth, purchased for cash 12,000. Seven, goods sold for credited to Rahim. Credit basis goods sold 20,000. Eighth, cash sales 20,000. Wages paid 5,000. Deposit into is nothing but deposited cash into bank 8,000. Cash paid to Mahesh 6,000. Machinery purchased 12,000. Purchased goods from Anita 5,000. Cash received from Ramya 3,000. 22nd, paid rent 1,500. 24th, purchased and stationery. Postage and stationery is nothing but postage stamps, any other letters, stationery, pen, pencil, notebooks, etc. Next, cash drawn. Cash drawn is nothing but cash withdrawn for personal use. Personal use is nothing but drawings. Next, received rent rupees 3,000. That's it. Problem. Now let's start the solution. Journal entries. Journal entries. Now format: date, particulars, LF number, debit amount, credit amount. Date, particulars, LF number, debit amount, credit amount. Okay. LF means ledger folio number. Debit amount rupees. Credit amount rupees. Okay, let's start the first entry. Mr. Anil started business with cash rupees 75,000. Cash comes in. Now giver of Anil, giver capital of rupees Mr. Anil 75,000. Now once again remember the rules. Personal account, real account, nominal account. Personal account, debit the receiver, credit the giver. Real account, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Nominal account, debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. And finally, cash comes in, debit. Cash goes out, credit. Here, first cash comes in, debit, date 2014 January 1st. Cash account debtor 75,000 to giver of Anil capital, to Anil capital or to capital account 75,000. Narration: the business started with cash. Complete the entry. Now immediately parallel line. Okay, that's it. First entry. Now second entry, cash sale. Sale is a income. Sale is income. All the incomes credit side. Cash comes in debit side. January 2nd. Cash account debtor 10,000 to sales account 10,000. Narration: being goods sold for cash. Goods sold for cash. Second entry. Third entry: purchased for cash. Purchased is a expenditure. Now all the expenses debit balance. Cash goes out, credit balance. Now entry date 5th, January 5th. Purchases account debtor. Purchase account debtor 12,000 to cash goes out, cash account 12,000. Narration: being goods purchased for cash. Goods purchased for cash. Okay, that's it. Next, 7th. Goods sold for credited to Rahim. Goods sold on the basis of credited to Rahim. Now amount is not immediately paid. Amount payable to the future. Amount payable to the future. Now sale is an income. Now receiver of the goods Rahim. Journal entry date January 7th. Rahim account debtor 20,000 to sales account 20,000. Narration: being goods sold to Rahim on credit basis, or being goods sold to Rahim on credit basis. Okay, that's it. Next entry: cash sales. Again cash sale. Sale is a income. Cash comes in. Journal entry 8. Cash account debtor 20,000 to sales account 20,000. Now narration: being goods sold for cash. Being goods sold for cash. Okay, that's it. Next, wages paid. Wages is a expenditure. All the expenses debits out. Now cash goes out, credit side, date 9th. Wages account debtor. Wages account debtor 5,000 to cash account 5,000. Narration: being wages paid for cash. Wages paid for cash. Now immediately parallel line. Okay. Next transaction: deposit into bank is nothing but deposited cash into bank. Here cash goes out, receiver bank. Cash goes out, receiver bank. Now journal entry 11th. Bank account debtor 8,000 to cash account 8,000. Narration: being cash deposited into bank. Cash deposited into bank. Clear? Bank receiver, cash goes out. Bank account debtor to cash account. Being cash deposited into bank. Okay, next transaction. Cash paid to Mahesh. Okay, next entry. Date 13. Cash paid to Mahesh. Mahesh, receiver, cash goes out. Clear? Journal entry. Mahesh account debtor 6,000 to cash goes out. Cash account 6,000. Narration being cash paid to Mahesh. Cash paid to Mahesh. Parallel line. Next transaction. Missionary purchased. Missionary comes in, cash goes out. Missionary comes in, cash goes out. 15th. Missionary account debtor 12,000 to cash account 12,000. Narration being missionary purchased for cash. Missionary purchased for cash. Parallel line. Okay, next. Purchased goods from Anita. Right? Credit basis goods purchased from Anita. Purchase expenditure. All the expenses regarding debit side. Now Anita not pay the immediately amount, futurely pay. Entry date 18th. Expenditure. Purchase account debtor 5,000 to giver Anita. Anita account 5,000. Narration being goods purchased. Being goods purchased from Anita. Okay, that's it. Now next entry. Cash received from Ramya. It's nothing but cash comes in. Giver Ramya. Journal entry date 20th. Cash account debtor 3,000 to giver Ramya, to Ramya account 3,000. Narration being cash received from Ramya. Cash received from Ramya. That's it. Okay, next one. Paid rent. Rent is a expenditure. All the expenses debit side. Cash goes out. 22nd. Paid rent. Rent account debtor. Rent account debtor 1,500 to cash account 1,500. Narration being rent paid for cash. Being rent paid for cash. Okay, next entry. Postage and stationery. Next next 24th 24th entry, postage and postage and stationery expenditure, all the expenses debit side. Postage and stationery account debtor 500 to cash account 500. Narration: being postage and stationery paid for cash. Being postage and stationery paid for cash. Immediately parallel line. Okay, next, cash withdrawn for personal use, like personal use, private use, domestic use, is considered to the drawings. Considered to the drawings. Journal entry 27 journal entry, drawings account debtor to cash account. Drawings account debtor 7,000 to cash account 7,000. Narration: being cash withdrawn for personal use. Clear? It is very important entry. In case any other proprietor, personal use, private use, domestic use is treated as a separate account, drawings. Personal use, private use, domestic use. Domestic use is nothing but drawings. Drawings account debtor to cash account. Narration: being cash withdrawn for personal use. Next, 31st entry. Rent received 3,000. Received income. Clear. Income credit balance. Cash comes in. Debit balance. Cash account debtor 3,000 to rent received account. Rent received account 3,000. Rent received. Cash account debtor to rent received account 3,000. Narration: being rent received for cash. Being rent received for cash. Okay, that's it. Solution. Clear? Now, a small problem homework. Problem. Journalize the following transactions. Journalize the following transactions. Now, first, 2019 January 1st. Started business with cash 10,000 and furniture 5,000. Furniture 5,000. Now, first transaction. Started business with cash rupees 10,000 and furniture rupees 5,000. Okay. Second entry, January 3rd. Sold goods to Venkat on credit. Sold goods to Venkat on credit basis rupees 3000. Okay, next January 5th, purchased goods from Lahari. Purchased goods from Lahari rupees 2000. Next 7, cash paid into bank. Cash paid into bank rupees 5000. Next 10th, sold old machinery. Sold old machinery rupees 2000. Next 12th, cash paid to Manohar rupees 500. Okay, next 15th, cash withdrawn for personal use. Cash withdrawn for personal use rupees 700. Okay, next 18th, electricity paid rupees 120. Next 20, commission received rupees 850. Next 25th, salaries paid rupees 1000. Okay, that's it. Homework problem. After completion of the entry, send it through my WhatsApp number 955-345-0979. Okay, after completion of the entries, send it through my WhatsApp number 955-345-0979. That's it.